Conversion tracking is crucial for understanding the impact of marketing efforts. It offers insights into user actions that align with business goals, such as purchases or signups. By analyzing these conversions, businesses can optimize campaigns, allocate resources effectively, and enhance return on investment, ensuring marketing strategies are data-driven and results-oriented. Conversion tracking is a measurement system that monitors user actions on your website or app, known as conversions. These include e-commerce purchases, sign-ups, app downloads, and more. By tracking these, marketers can identify which ads and campaigns drive business goals, allowing for strategic resource allocation and campaign optimization. Conversion tracking transcends vanity metrics, linking marketing actions to tangible business outcomes. It attributes revenue to specific efforts, highlighting high-performing campaigns for strategic budget allocation. This data-driven approach empowers marketers to optimize targeting, messaging, and creative elements, ensuring maximum return on investment through informed decision-making and continuous improvement. Conversion tracking begins with a user interaction, such as clicking an ad or visiting a site. This action is logged with source data. When a user completes a valuable action, like a purchase, a tracking code records the event, attributing it to the original source. This data integrates into analytics platforms for detailed reporting and optimization. A user initiates conversion tracking by clicking an ad or visiting a site, logging source data. Upon completing a valuable action, like a purchase, a tracking code records this event, attributing it to the original source. This data integrates into analytics platforms for detailed reporting and optimization. Conversions quantify completed actions, like 250 purchases in a month. Conversion rate, calculated as conversions divided by total visitors times 100, shows effectiveness, e.g., 10% from 2,500 visitors. Cost per conversion, cost per acquisition, evaluates efficiency using total ad spend divided by conversions. Conversion value tracks revenue, aiding return on investment measurement, e.g., $75 per purchase. Accurate conversion tracking in Google Analytics 4 begins with installing the Google Analytics 4 property by adding the gtag.js code to your site's header. Configure event tracking to capture user interactions like form submissions. Mark critical actions as key events in the admin section. Finally, link Google Analytics 4 with Google Ads for comprehensive data integration. Install your Google Analytics 4 property by adding the global site tag JavaScript tracking code to every page, typically in the header. Configure event tracking to capture user interactions like form submissions and button clicks. Mark critical actions as key events in admin greater than events. Link Google Analytics 4 with Google Ads for bidirectional conversion data sharing, enhancing bidding strategies and reporting. In the Google Analytics 4 admin interface, navigate to admin greater than events to configure key events for conversion tracking. Identify valuable business actions and toggle the Mark as Key Event switch for these events. Review key event data in the conversions report. Common key events include purchase, generate lead, sign up, and add to cart, aligning with e-commerce and lead generation goals. The JavaScript snippet for Google Analytics 4 tracks purchase conversions by firing when a transaction completes. Key elements include transaction ID for unique identification, value for total amount, and currency for International Organization for Standardization Code. The items array details product specifics like ID, name, category, quantity, and price, facilitating comprehensive revenue reporting and product performance analysis.